Hello, today we're going to set up the C++ version of Bridges in the VisualStudio IDE. Download the C++ source files from the Bridges documentation website. Once downloaded, unzip them to a place where you can easily access them on your computer. Next, we will search Windows for your environment variables. For older version of Windows, click Start and then Search. Select Edit the System Environment Variables. Systems Properties should pop up, then select Environment Variables, and then in the Environment Variables window, select Path and then click Edit. Here you will click New and then Browse. Navigate to the directory where you saved your Bridges file, and then click Bin. Click OK to add this path to your variables. Now we are ready to open Visual Studio and create a new project. Make sure it's a C++ console application. I will name this one Bridges Test. First, make sure your program is running in 64 bits. Next, select Project and then go to your project properties at the very bottom. On the Properties page, select C/C++. To the right, you will see the option to add additional include directories. Click the drop-down menu and then click Edit. Select the new folder icon and then the Browse icon. Navigate to your Bridges file and then select the Include folder. Press OK to finish adding the Include file for Bridges. Now, in the Properties page, select Linker. Here, next to additional library directories, we will select the Browse icon and then Edit. Here we will select the new folder icon and then move back to our Bridges folder. However, this time we will select the lib folder. Once you've added the Bridges library directory, click the drop-down button next to Linker, then click Input. Click the drop-down next to Additional Dependencies. Select Edit, then in the Additional Dependencies window, type libcurl.lib. Press OK. Apply these changes and then press OK to return to your main method. Next, to make sure everything works, we will go back to the Bridges documentation website and select the user guide/tutorials link. At the top of the screen, select Erase and then ensure that we are on the C++ tab. Scroll down until you see the Bridges code, copy the imports and the namespace, and then paste them above your main method. Now, back at the website, select everything from the Bridges object to the return statement. Copy it and paste it within your main method. Next, you can add any integer as your assignment number, then add your user ID and API key, which can be found by logging into the Bridges website and looking under Profile. Finally, you can save and run your program. The output should provide a link that you can paste into any browser so you can view your visualization. And that's it. Now you can make more C++ visualizations with Bridges in the VisualStudio IDE. Check out the Bridges documentation website for more tutorials.